So the basically this lesson is based on the human relationship between a two people, how they are feeling, they are respecting, everything is based upon human and human relationship. See, human is a individual and relationship between a two person. Human value, my value is I'm thinking good about everyone. My value, whatever work I have to I'm going to do, I'm going to do it with the very full of honesty. I'm not choosing in a wrong way, I'm not doing in a shortcut way. No, what are the things, what are the requirement, I'm doing in a this way only. So this is my value. I know what is wrong, what is right. Human value and the relationship. So in this chapter we have two characters, Hari Singh and Anil. Hari Singh is a thief and Anil is a writer who is writing a book. The so it's easy. The theme of the poem, what they are telling, for thief, it's easy to rob means stealing the things from away, stealing the things from another person. Okay, without asking, without informing, rob. Okay, if pen is kept on the table, if all the teachers are sitting in the staff room, if the pen is kept in the table, some teachers, okay, that pen is belong to another and the teachers. I love that pen, I want that pen, I can buy now. But no, I didn't buy, I did not want to spend my money. I just steal it without informing her. I just take that pen, and she is searching for everyone, where I lost my pen, I kept my pen on table but I didn't find it. Anyone saw that or no? If see that, please give it to me, it's my favorite pen, I spent so much money on that pen. So robbing, so the thief can rob anything from any person, but it is difficult to rob a things from careless or honest person. See, I know why I robbed that pen, because I know she is not honest, she is not good. Okay, but if I met some honest person who is genuine, who is helping me every time, but I can't steal the things from that person. It's very difficult, because my inner voice from inside, I feel so guilty. She or he is so sweet, she or he is helping me out every time. Whenever I feel so difficult, they are helping me. I can't steal that thing. It's so difficult for me that I'm stealing the things from the honest person. Okay, so Hari, the two character Hari Singh and Anil. Okay, these are the two character in your story. Next slide. Hari had no friend. Okay, Hari had no friend because everyone is telling you are a troubler for us. You are troubler for us. If see 5-10 people's 5 person, they are in a one group and they are friends. But A, B, C, D. I'm using the pen. This is the person A, B, C, D, E. Okay, these are the 5 person. One group, they are friends. They are friends, and in friend circle we have a 5 member. But everyone is pointing out A, that every time because of you we are facing a trouble. Every time because of you we are facing a trouble. You are not our friend, you are a troubler for us. Troubler means, see, if I stuck somewhere, troubles me, I can't helping. Because of him, I facing a difficult situation. I stuck somewhere and it's very difficult to come out. Troubler. That if you're going in a okay, if you want to go and you're going in a building, you just went into the left and lift stuck. Okay, it's stop in any floor. So you are in troubler. You are in trouble situation. You are thinking how I'm going to out. You're finding a way. How you're finding a way? You're switching on the alarm. You're asking some person, please help me, or speaking loudly. So same at with Hari also. Hari, everyone is telling that you are troubler for us. You are not helping us, but you are troubler for us. Because of you, we are facing troubles. Okay. The only person here, the Anil, he is the only person who tell Hari, okay, you come with me, and you are my friend. And Anil is an author. He is a writer. He is writing a book. He is writing a novel. So Anil want that he should teach. He should read how to write. He want to give an education to Hari Singh. And one more main point, Hari is a not real name of that person. Every time he is changing a name. Every time he is changing the name. Why he is changing the name? So that police can't catch him. So that police can't catch him. What he is doing, Hari? First of all, he is meeting the new person. He is gaining the trust. He is gaining the trust, and he is stealing the things. After, when he know that person is trusting me, he is relying on me, and after that he is stealing the things from that person. But one more thing, at the end of the, I'm not going to tell you the, it's a very important thing. At the end of the lesson, I'm going to ask you, I want to know whether you properly understand. It's a very important. At the end of the chapter, I'm going to ask you that question, whether the value and relationship can change the person or not. So if you want to answer this question, so that you have to learn, you have to listen the chapters what I'm going to taught you. Okay. So, and Hari, what he's doing, he is stealing the money. He is stealing the money from Anil every day. Every day he is stealing the money. Stealing the money so that he can run away one day. He is collecting the money. He has fixed some amount. Okay, I have to steal 10,000 from this person. So he divided 10,000 in a part, 500, 500, 100 a day, 200 a day, 300 a day. So he divide his money and he is stealing daily. Okay, what we are doing? Piggy bank. How? Okay, when we are small, everyone you have a piggy bank, na? Piggy bank. So what? When I'm small, I love piggy bank. My parents give me a piggy bank, and what I did, daily one rupees I'm putting in that. 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 1 rupee, 3 rupee, 4 rupee. Daily I'm putting in that. I'm filling that piggy bank. At the end of the month or at the 2 months, after completing 2 months, what I see that piggy bank is full of money. So Hari is also doing the same thing. He is taking the money every day. Every day he is taking the money and he set the target. He set the target that he has to rob the 10,000 rupee or 5,000 rupee. He set the target and he's moving toward the target. Okay. The summary of the same theme and the summary. So he is a 15. What's the age of Hari? Hari age is 15-year-old. Okay, he is a 15-year-old boy, and he purposely changed his name so that police can't catch him. Anil is a writer, and he can't afford to employ the helper who is come and help her cooking a food. Although he know how to cook a food, but then also he want a helper, maid. Maid and helper are both are same thing. So he want that, and he met Hari. He met Hari, and he tell Hari, okay, you come with me. I'm going to teach you how to write, how to speak, and you cook a food every day. So what Hari is doing? Anil is teaching how to cook a food, everything. Every day Hari is cooking a food and Anil is teaching Hari how to write, how to speak, because Anil want to educate Hari. And Anil know that Hari is a robber. Hari is a thief. But what Anil did, he welcomed him. He welcomed Hari. Welcome Hari, the full of heart, full of love. Full of love, he welcomed Hari and he helped Hari. Although Anil know the truth of Hari, that one day he betrayed, he is going to betray. Betray means that that someone is trusting you and you're breaking the trust. Betray. You're cheating on. He's or I'm helping everyone, but I know that he's not like that. Someday he betray me. But then also Anil is helping Hari. Anil know that thing that one day he betray me, one day he break my trust, one day he is going to run away from my house. But then also Anil is teaching, Anil is helping Hari. Full of love. Full of love means he did not think, he just think, okay, if he's robbing, why he's doing that thing? Why he's stealing that thing? We only the reason, because person not born with the, like, if you're born, it's not decided na that you are the thief. No, it's decided by our work, our people, our environment. See, why Hari is stealing everything? Because when he born, no one is teach Hari that this is the good thing, this is the bad thing. You have to do this. Whatever he see, he's doing the same thing. No one is teaching Hari. But Anil thought, okay, let me teach. Let me help out. He's a good person, he's a good heart. But the thing is, Hari is moving in a wrong direction. He is not a bad person. He is not harming anyone. He is just stealing the things. He is just stealing the things. He is not harming anyone. He is not murdering anyone. He is a good person. He has a good heart. So Anil welcome Hari. Take Hari to the home, and he is giving education. And what Hari is doing, every day he is taking the money from Anil and telling, I need to buy a grocery item. Daily need item. Grocery item means daily need item. He is going to the shop, he is buying, and coming back to the home, and he is telling, for this much I spent this much rupees, this much I spent this much rupees. He's taking 500 rupees. He's buying the grocery item for the 400 rupees. He's spending only 400 rupees for buying the grocery item. But what he's telling to Anil, they spend all the 500 rupees on the grocery item. And Anil knows that thing. Anil knows that thing, that he's taking the money, stealing the money, he's taking the money and stealing the money. He knows everything, that every day he's taking money from me and he's buying grocery item, but also he is keeping the money with him. He is not returning the money. Anil know that thing. Anil won't say anything. Anil won't say anything because in Anil's mind something else is going on. Okay, so when Anil, what he did, he just published his novel. At the end, he published his novel and he earned the money, but due to some circumstances, Anil is not well. Anil falls sick. Anil falls sick and he is very pain. So at the end, what Hari did, Hari taken all the money and he went to the station. He went to the station, but he couldn't run away. He went to the station, but he couldn't run away. Although he has a opportunity that he can run, he can catch the train, and he can move from other place. No one is going to catch him. Hari knows that thing, but he can't run. Why he can't run? Because Anil gave him a so much love. He gave him a so much love. He helped him out. Anil help Hari every time. He teach how to read, how to speak. He teach everything. Anil help Hari every moment. So because of this love, because of this relationship, Anil treated him as a brother. Because Anil treated Hari as a brother. Because of this love, Hari couldn't run away. Hari couldn't run away. He didn't catch the train. And he come back to the home. He come back and he kept the money under the mattress. He kept that money, whatever money he's stolen, he's stealing day by day. He kept that money under the mattress, and then he went. Then he went. This is the first time when Hari did not steal anything from that person. He changes his life. Hari, Anil has changes the Hari life. Okay. So now, can you please tell me if your relationship, the relationship is very important in one's life. Relationship is very important, whether the relationship with your parents, with your friends, or anyone. With the help of the relationship, if one is doing wrong now, the another one can teach that. Another one. See, my sister and me, we both are in relationship. We are sisters. If sometime when I'm small, I'm very notorious. I'm doing very bad things. Like I'm irritated. I'm doing very that notorious thing that my sister get very irritated. Even my parents get very irritated. Why you doing these things? You don't know. We should do this. You don't know. When you learn that. So what my sister is doing, she has never scolded me. Sorry, she never shout on me and she never beaten me. She never slapped me. But how she is teaching me the good thing with their talks, with their words. She is telling, okay, just follow me, just see me what I'm doing. With with her action, I get to know what is wrong or what is right. So after that time, my parents is telling, now you're learning the things. Now you're learning the things with your sister. So the relationship about sisters. So my sister taught me so many things. She know what is wrong and what is right. I don't know what is right or what is wrong when I was small, but I have a relationship with my sisters. So she taught me so many things. So the relationship is very important in life. It doesn't matter whether the relationship with your parents, friends, even friends are teaching so many things. See, first learner is your home, and when you're moving out in the school, you're learning from your friends. You're learning from your friends. You get to know the outside the world. Okay, you're helping them. You're taking help from them. So you're building the relationship, good relationship. Okay, if you scold your friend every time, if you disrespect your friends, if you need help from them, they are not going to help you, because you only ruin, you only spoil your relationship. How? Because scolding them and you're not telling, you're not respecting them. So you get in return same thing. In return, same way. What you are doing the things towards them, they are not. Now they are returning to you. Give and take relationships. Okay. So now we can the summary of the poem. See, in this chapter we have two characters, Hari and Anil. Hari is a thief. Anil is a writer. All of you know. Okay, please tell me some character about Hari. What you know about Hari? Write in a chat box without looking anything. About Hari and Anil. Write in a chat box. I want to see the answers. Who is helpful person? Mention it. Mention it. If you are writing helpful person, mention it. Okay, so I got many answers. So Anil is a small time thief, means he is not doing much thing. He's just stealing the things. And Hari is not a real name. Every time he keeps changing his name. Why? Because he want to escape from the police. Okay, he earned the trust. He earned the trust from the people. And after that, when he knows that the person is trusting, he just rob the things from that person. Okay, and when he see Anil, he think Anil. When Hari see the Anil, he just think to rob robbing him means he just think that I should rob that person. But he is a very simple man. Anil is a very simple man, and what Anil do, he's just doing. He's teaching him how to cook, work, even educating. He's giving the education to Hari. So what Hari is very delight when Anil start teaching. He planned to rob, and Anil is teaching every day, but Hari is planning every day how to rob. How to rob. Okay. So what Hari did? Hari is stealing day by day. Day by day, Hari is stealing day by day, 100 rupees, and he get a chance to steal, and he get a chance to run away. He is at this Hari at the station, but he couldn't run away. He come back and he return his money. Now they are happily. Anil and Hari are living very happily after that. Why he returned to station? Because from the inner voice. Because Hari, now the Hari heart and mind, everything is changed because of the Anil. So who is Anil? Anil is a simple, easy young boy who is writing. He's interested the sports. He's very interested. Okay, he's doing sports. He's playing so many things. But Anil is not a very rich person, so he can't afford a cook. He can't afford a cook, so he just take the Hari and walk towards a home, and he just told, okay, I'm going to teach you how to cook, and how I'm going to teach you how to write, learn everything. This is about the Anil. Okay. So if you have any doubt,